Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be demonstrating a couple of 7-day sets today. Which I rarely get a chance to use, but they're very nice. For me, it's probably the ultimate in shaving boys' toys, a 7-day set. There's a tattooist convention this weekend in Cornhill. Cornhill is one of the main ports, big town. I've always fancied a tattoo of some sort. So anyway, this is if you come across one of these on eBay, or Etsy, they're highly recommended. They've got a really nice chrome or nickel plated case made by Wilkinson's, and you can see the days of the week, albeit abbreviated. And this is the handle, and under this rest for the handle usually lives a strop, but I don't really keep it in there. I keep it hanging up to keep it straight. You shouldn't really fold your strop. So for today, you just unclip. There's the clip there. You just lift that up. He says. You just lift that up. It gives you access to the blades here. So I'm just going to take out the first one, Monday, and load it up. Click that back. I have to put my glasses on, reading glasses for this. It's a little bit, it's not fiddly, it's easy to do. I just need to focus on the close. See this stud here? The hole there fits into there. So you put it on at 90 degrees. Like so, and then twist, and you can hear it lock into place. There. And this device here controls the jaw and locks the blade into place. You can see I'll just try and lift it up a little bit. So that's locked, and this is completely adjustable. You can turn this wheel to the right, and that'll make it quite aggressive. 4 turns, 2, 3, 4. Or you can knock it back 1, 2, 3, 4 for a more easy shave. It's a bit fiddly this morning. There we are, it's locked in now. And then you turn the handle, screw the bottom of the handle there until the meets the head Can't see the gap there. You just see it moving up and down there, look. And that locks the head into position, so that's quite solid there. It's just a little bit stiff at the moment. I haven't used it for months, so they get a little bit stiff through lack of use. I think I'll just make it a little bit more aggressive, a couple of turns. That's about right. I'll turn it all the way, just see how aggressive it is. And turn it the opposite way. There. And instantly you can see and feel the angle has changed. Well, the Wilkinsons are a really good brand. The blades are made out of the best Sheffield steel. So they're quite easy to hone. The head looks quite bulky. Well, it is quite bulky, but it gets in all the corners. So that's a shave on the most aggressive side of the adjustable head. And as you can see, you can be quite liberal with it. You go up the grain against the grain. You can do a buffing technique. It's nice to use the Wilkie for a change. Really interesting razor. I'll pop that down for now. Right then. My other 7-day set, I've got a few, but not as good as this. This is an absolutely beautiful It looks to me like a bare walnut case with brass bindings. Really nice condition. Even the base has not seen that much hard work. Original key. Well, these are really highly prized, highly recommended razors. These are made for Lunds of London. Lunds did not actually make them, they had them made for them. You can see the days of the week on the top of the spine. So for this demo we're going to be using the first one, Monday. Just put that down for now. These were made, as you can see there, 1891 for a Scottish guy. Apparently he was an economist and he got this presentation for his 71st birthday. Drying up a little bit with the heat from his skin. They're a great thing to own if you come across one at a reasonable price. I mean, they're all identical in weight and shape, design. Got a lovely, interesting design on the tang here. Nice point. The day of the week is, I don't know if you can pick it up in this light, there. And they're just nice to own. Sometimes I'll take it on holiday. So you can have a different razor for each day. So I would recommend anyone to invest in a 7-day set. Might be a bit expensive, but you only buy them once. Apparently you can buy them new from Thea's Izzard. They're about 3,000, depending on the model you may choose. So that's my 7-day set. My pride and joy, if you like. But, when you think that they're all matching in weight and shape and everything, there's some skill there. I think I might test, I've got a Wilkinson's Pall Mall knocking about somewhere. I think I might just shave test that one as part of the of my personal collection before this next batch of restoration comes in next week. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you next week. Bye for now.